Hello everyone, I'm Sia. Today I will show you how to use K518 Pro to program 2010 Ford Focus. Now I will show you how to do the all key loss. We plug in the OBD to the car.
Select Demo and Remote. Find Ford, China, Focus, Classic Focus. Select Type 1, Program Key. We will demonstrate the programming process of all keys lost. Turn on the ignition switch with the key. Note that at least 2 keys are required to complete the program. Click OK to continue. You need to wait about 10 minutes. Follow the prompts below. The first step is to turn off the ignition switch. Insert the first key. Turn on the ignition switch for 5 seconds. Then turn off the ignition switch. Pull out the key. Insert the second key. Turn on the ignition switch for 5 seconds. Turn off the ignition. Pull out the key. Click OK when done. Chip programming successful. Now we need to program the remote. The remote control needs to be programmed manually. Insert our new key into the ignition switch. Turn on the switch 4 to 8 times. Then turn off the ignition switch. Press a button. Remove the key. Remote control programming successful. Let's see if the key works. The first key. The first key starts the car successfully. The second key. Insert the key and turn on the ignition switch. The second key starts the car successfully. Remote control lock car. Unlock. Remote control is normal.
Do the all key loss for this car successfully. Stay tuned as we continue to innovate more surprise ahead.